How is it going, peeps? And in this episode of TechMax, the show where we take technology and human stupidity to the max, we're going to be putting this HDMI cable in a bowl and start jabbing it with a plastic fork. Let's see the results. Doesn't look like there's any visible damage on this HDMI cable. Definitely no internal damage, so it will still work properly. And there's not even any damage to this plastic fork. It didn't even snap. I hope you found this video satisfying, and thanks for watching, guys.